Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and in good health. Welcome back to our English class. Now, in the previous class we completed recapitulation for unit 6, right? Now today we'll do the recap of unit 7 as well as unit 8. Now I will tell you in a very short form and very short summary of this chapter as well as unit 8. Okay, students? So now, and if you want to watch the detailed video, you can find it in the playlist. Okay, students? Now, in this chapter, Fair Play, we are talking about justice. We are talking about justice. So in this chapter, there were two friends, Algu Chaudhary and Jumman Sheikh. They were best of friends. Okay, students? Now, later on, Jumman, he had one aunt, and as she was alone, she has transferred the property to whom? To Jumman. Okay? Now, Jumman agreed that, what did Jumman agree? Jumman agreed that he will take care of this aunt. He will take care of this aunt for lifetime. Now, after some time passed, his wife used to not behave good with this aunt. So she said, okay, you give me some monthly allowance and make a separate kitchen for me. Okay, students? Then later on, when aunt explained her case to Jumman, Jumman said that I will not make a separate kitchen, as well as why should I give you money? Now, how will this old lady live her life? So she decided to go in panchayat. So later on in the panchayat, the case was held wherein who was made to take decision? Algu was made to take the decision. Now Algu is best friend of Jumman, so why will he take the side of aunt? But when he was at the place of head, he had to take the decision of what is right. Okay. So here, aunt and Jumman, both of them explained the case, and as the aunt was right, Algu gave his decision that Jumman has to give monthly allowance to aunt, and if he doesn't want to give monthly allowance, he had to transfer the property back to her. Okay. Now, because of this, Jumman and Algu, they both were no more friends. Okay. Jumman took Algu as his enemy, and Jumman wanted to take revenge from Algu. So one day, after the case, now Algu had one bullock. Okay. Algu had one bullock, which he sold it to Samju Sahu. And Samju Sahu said, I will give you money after 1 month. But within a month, the bullock died. So Samju Sahu was not giving money to Algu. So again they decided to go in panchayat. Now Samju Sahu decided Jumman to take the decision. Now you know Jumman wanted revenge from Algu. Right? So, why will he take side of Algu? But when Jumman was at the position of judge, he decided that no, I have to take up what is right. I have to forget who is my enemy. I have to forget who is my friend. So, listening to the case, he gave a decision that Samju Sahu has to pay money to Algu. So, hearing this, Algu got very happy and he said that, in the voice of Panch, okay, is the voice of God. It means that the head will never take the wrong decision or the biased decision. Then again both of them became friends. So this was the chapter Fair Play. Okay. Now let's move towards unit 8, which was Game of Chance. Now every year on the occasion in this chapter, Rashid is there. Who is there in this chapter? Rashid is there. He goes to his uncle's house, that is village, where on festival of Eid, there used to be a big fair, that is we call Mela. What do you call it? Mela. Okay, fair. So there was a big fair in the village and there were so many shops. So Rashid and uncle and the servant of uncle, the three of them went to the fair. Now in between, uncle met some friends of his. So he said Rashid and uncle that the other person that you both just see around the things but don't buy anything. So both of them, Rashid and this man, both of them were seeing and they saw one lucky shop. They saw one lucky shop. Okay, there were some numbers on the discs, and whichever number you pick up and whatever is there, that amount of thing the person would get. And in this game of chance, Rashid lost all his money. Rashid lost all his money. Okay, and uncle said that why he lost all his money? Because he used to get things of very little value. Okay, and he used to try again and again. He thought that I'll get something of great value, but he did not get. So at last, uncle said that the shopkeeper was making you fool. Shopkeeper was making you fool. The other two persons which came before you to try their luck and won big prizes, they were friends of this man. They were friends of this man. Okay, so this is how the chapter ended, and you should not think anything like you know there's you have a bad luck or anything. There is nothing like that. Okay. Then we had the poem Vocation. What we had? Vocation. Now, Vocation was a very interesting poem which talked about what children would like to become when they grow up. What children would like to become when they grow up. Now, this poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, and the poet says that when he goes to school in the morning at 10 o'clock, he sees bangle sellers. Okay, and he finds that he is free to walk everywhere. So he thinks, I also want to be a bangle seller, hawker. Next, when he returns, he sees the gardener. Okay, and he says that the gardener has freedom to be in the garden, play with mud all the time. Nobody will scold him. So he says, I wish even I was gardener. And at last, the poet wishes that he was a watchman. He was a watchman. He will get to walk on the streets late at night with the lantern. Okay. So, this was the poem in Vocation. Talk about the three desires or the three, professions. Okay, three jobs that the poet is finding very interesting. Clear? So, here today we covered Unit 7 and Unit 8 a little bit fast because many of them are coming to school. Okay, and if you can watch a detailed video on playlist as well. So, see you soon with Unit 9 and 10.